Hello everyone. In today's session, we're going to have a look at SAP BODS, Local Repository Creation, Part 1. If you like our videos, please do click on the like icon. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications of new videos uploaded. About the trainer, I am Vijayalakshmi Balakrishnan, and my core expertise is in SAP data migration, finance and controlling, business consolidation, business warehouse, business planning and consolidation, and business objects data services. I have around 15 years of experience in SAP implementation and support, and 10 years of domain experience. Each challenge is an opportunity. Make the best use of it. Change is the only word that doesn't change. Everything else changes. Best thing you can gift another human being is building their self-confidence. Teach them how to fish and don't fish for them. Contents of this session is as follows. SAP BODS Introduction, SQL Server Management Studio, Creation of Database, Data Services Repository Manager, Create local repository to access the database, Central Management Console, register the local repository. What is SAP BODS? SAP BODS stands for Business Objects Data Services, and it is an ETL tool used for data integration, data quality, data profiling, data processing, and text data. It allows to integrate, transform trusted data-to-data warehouse systems for analytical reporting. SAP BODS is an ETL tool. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, and BODS is an ETL tool by SAP which can extract data from disparate systems, transform them into meaningful information, and load them in various kinds of systems. In 2002, Business Objects rebranded the two software's products of Acta as Business Objects Data Quality Tool and Business Objects Data Integration Tool. Business Objects was acquired by SAP in 2007, and both of these products were renamed as SAP BODQ and SAP BODI. In 2008, SAP merged both of these products in a single tool and renamed it as SAP Business Objects Data Services BODS. The latest version of SAP BODS currently available in the market is 4.2. Create database. In this session, we are going to create a new database in SQL Server Management Studio. SQL Server Management Studio is a software application first launched with Microsoft SQL Server 2005 that is used for configuring, managing, and administrating all components with Microsoft SQL Server. It also comes with Microsoft SQL Server Express 2012, or users can download it separately. So we are first going to create a database. Then we are going to create user ID and password. We're going to do some general settings. And user mapping settings as well. First, let's log into SQL Server Management Studio. Go to Database, right-click, New Database. Give the name of the database. So I've given this name and click on OK. Click on the plus sign and scroll down. Here you have the newly created database. However, it does not contain any tables at the moment. All folders are empty. Let's go ahead and create logons, user ID, and password. Click on Security, click on Logons, right-click, new logon. So the logon name is training underscore user ID, and it's an SQL Server authentication. The password is test123. Enter it again to confirm the password, test123. Remove the check before enforce password policy because we want to make this password permanent. And then click on OK. So here is our user ID. Double click on it and go to user mapping. Find your SQL Server database. Here it is. And click on DB owner. So this will give you the ownership rights for that login on that database. So we've linked the database and the user ID and its related password. Okay. Still, we don't have any tables in the tables subfolder. Create local repository. We're going to create a local repository using Data Services Repository Manager. The SAP Data Services Repository is a set of tables that hold user-created and predefined system objects, source and target metadata, and transformation rules. Each repository must be stored in an existing RDBMS, relational database management system, and registered to the Central Management Console, CMC. So let's go ahead and create a local repository. Here, we're going to create a Microsoft SQL Server and the database name. We can get the database name by clicking on this icon. And the database name is SAP BODS. enter the name, and the database name is training underscore test SQL DB, and the user ID is training underscore user ID, and the password is test 123, and click on create. So the local repository was successfully created. So this is the message received. So we can close this. And now if you go to the database name, right click and refresh, you will see metadata under tables. So this means that we have properly linked both the applications. Now, the next step is to register local repository. Register the local repository in SAP Business Objects Central Management Console. The Central Management Console is a web-based tool to perform day-to-day administration tasks, including user management, content management, server management. So let's go ahead and register the local repository. Central Management Console is a web-based tool, and you have to click on Data Services. Click on this icon, configure a new data service repository, and enter the name. You can give the description as the same description, and click on Microsoft SQL Server, and the database name is SAP BODS. That's the server name. and the database name is training underscore test SQL DB and we have to provide the username and password which we have created. Training underscore user ID and the password is test 123 and test connection. So it was successfully connected to the repository. Now click on save. And if we go to the last page, we will find our local repository created. And it's active. Okay, so this is how we register the local repository in Central Management Console. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comments section below, and we will answer them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. And once again, please do click on the like icon if you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you very much. See you in another session on BODS. Thank you.